Hi, my name is Stan. I will show you how to migrate your community. It can be any community that integrated to WordPress. For example, Invision IPBoard community to Circle. Circle is modern community platform. It's very easy to use. They have very cool support, and I will show you how to set up it correctly. So let's go. First of all, you need to log into your account. You will see nothing and you need to set some branding. So go to settings, go to general, and here you will see some brand things. So you can set your brand color. For example, I will use this one and upload your logo. Upload your favicon, and this is it. There is other settings that you can set, but you will see this later. Okay, save changes, and it's better now. Okay, second step, let's add some custom navigation here. You need to go to code snippets. You can do a lot of things here, but I will show you how it's working for some custom header. So you can add some code, for example CSS code for your header menu, and you need to add structure to this menu. Here you can do it with JavaScript. So you can find this data in my article, you can use it, and save changes. Okay, now creating a new menu is here. I don't like how this logo size is fit to my page, so I want to do it bigger. I will add another code to CSS. Be careful, add this before end of this style tag, because if you will do it wrong, you will destroy all CSS on your page. Now save changes. Okay, it's good now, and you can add some additional code, like code for your mobile menu, and this is it. If you will broke something, you can go to this chat, go to support, and they will reply immediately, because I crashed this community, send them message, and they reply in 7 minutes. It's so cool. Let's go to custom domain. If you want to make it more presentable for your users, you can change this setting. So go to your domain provider. Our domain is under Cloudflare, so I will show you an example of Cloudflare. Go to DNS, find your website, and add new record. It will be CNAME record. Add your subdomain, so it will be community memberfix.rocks. Target is your current community domain. You will find it in this area. Edit and disable proxy. Save. Okay, now go to your Circle account. Here is a useful tool where you can check your subdomain CNAME records. You need to wait some time, and it's working now. So you can copy your subdomain, go to your custom domain, edit here, and set up. So you need to wait, I think, 1 minute or less. It's now pending. If you will reload it, it will install SSL certificates and few rounds of reloads. It must set up in your name. So maybe you need to clean your cache for this. Okay, must work now, and yes, now we have this pretty name. Next step will be setup of single sign-on, and what we have here. We have this callback URL. We need to copy it and go to our WordPress website. So go to plugins. I'm already here. Add new. And you need to search for WP server, I think. Yes, this is it. Install. Let's take some time. Activate it. And you will find it in your sidebar menu here. So go to settings first. This must be checked and enabled. Then go to clients and add new client. So you need to add name. It can be Circle redirect URL that you copied here. And that's it. Press to create. Okay, it's working now. Now you need to copy this data here and go again here. So first of all, enable SSO, then choose WordPress from this drop-down list. Add WordPress here. Add new client ID. Add new secret key and WordPress URL, yeah, correct, memberfig.rocks. Save changes. Now let's check it. Go to incognito browser. So first of all, go to community. It will ask for sign in. Press continue with WordPress. Log into your website. And it will redirect you back to community. So you need only have access to your WordPress website to have access to Circle community. Okay. Now it's time to add some spaces here. So go to your home page and create a space. You need to add all spaces, so topics from your community names. So I will just copy it, paste here, and choose some pretty emoji. So for this I can use anything here. You can play with display view and other settings here, but I will show you how it works. Next, I will add few of them just to show. And this one. Okay, you can go to your space and start a new topic. And now all users will see this in topics. You can add some links here for your social media, like Facebook. Add link. Yeah, forgot to add this HTTPS. Save changes. It will link you to Facebook and other social media links and other information that you need here. You can add group to your spaces, so you can change it for new group, and it will be separated from this one, so you can add another spaces here and it will work nice for you. So this is it. Now you can use your new community. I will left link to this community on the beginning of the article, so you can check it, that it's real, it's working, and this is it. If you will have any questions, you can write them in comments, and bye.